What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby, by the dip. All right, guys, this is going to be an action-packed video, and all I ask, give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, so let's go. Here, MMTLP today, down 4.88%, down 19 cents, and volume here, you can see the average volume has jumped up. So we're expected to be trading about 612,000 shares a day. We traded 833,000 shares. I think that this is going to be, let's say, shorts and hedgies playing tricks on the market. And we're going to get into how I come up with that info later on. All right. First, this is very important. And I'm going to say the shorts are literally going to be screwed here very shortly. So the Magnificent Dream shared this on Twitter. I'm going to say thank you for sharing this and tagging everyone out here. So huge props to that guy. And this was an email from TD Ameritrade regarding MMTLP, the supply and demand fundamentals. As for shorting this stock, MMTLP is currently a NTB security, which means there is no inventory to accommodate a short sale. I hope you find this information helpful, but if you do have any additional questions and concerns, you reply back and everything there. Have a good day. Guys, as for shorting this stock, MMTLP is currently a NTB security, which means there's no inventory to accommodate a short sale. What does that mean right there? So this here is the original post from the Magnificent Dream. So huge props to that guy for getting us that information from TD Ameritrade, one of the big dogs out there, basically saying you cannot short this stock. You cannot, I guess, borrow this stock as well. They're giving people warnings over there at TD Ameritrade. So not only do we got it in the S1A file from Metamaterials, but now we got the brokerages coming out. I believe Ali is in touch with like the second and third largest shareholder of MMTLP, and Fidelity is calling them about their 16 million shares and like 10 million shares and asking them what they're doing with them. This is getting real, man. I'm really excited. You can tell the sound of my voice, man. Woo! Things are getting awesome. All right. Next thing here I wanted to cover. I got the official website here. Now, this is going through Wayback Machine. And what this does, guys, if people's wondering, how do we come up with these numbers of the 3.2 billion barrels of oil, the 134,000 net acres of land? How did we come up with those numbers? Well, what happened was back in December, let me disable my camera real quick. If you can see up there, it says December 17th, 2021, and top right-hand corner here. And what that means here, guys, you can see me hovering up there, December 17th, 2021. What this website does is it lets you go back and check out a website that is maybe no longer there, but is available in that day. And what happened was, as all this stuff was unfolding, this website was like live, which means you could type in nextbridgehydrocarbons.com and go to this website, and it would give you all this information here, a responsible hydrocarbon bridge to clean energy future. NextBridge Hydrocarbons brings new performance to recovery of oil and natural gas through cutting-edge technology and modernized process. Down here, it gives you all the about, man. This is like really cool to be able to pull this back up because we did videos on this when this all came live, and then like the next day or later that night, it became protected and you could not see it anymore. You had to enter like a password and able to gain access to this website. But with this being live for as long as it was, you're able to go back and view it while it was live and what was on there. And this here is the stuff that is on here. NextBridge Hydrocarbons is a two-string hydrocarbon exploration and production company that endeavors a responsibility to produce oil and natural gas molecules as a bridge to clean energy future. NextBridge primarily targets exploration assets in which it can use operating expertise to unlock previously trapped energy reserves. Here you can see the technical advantage, the geological advantage, and specialty well design. This is exciting here. We have drilled, completed, and successfully flowed back some of the world's largest wells, including setting records for both total depth and lateral length. Our team is comprised of what are largely considered the finest drilling completion well schema designs in the world. Down here, you see all these like drone footages that you're seeing on this here. if you see like the drone footage of the well here, that drone footage, you get out here and you're seeing this drone footage. These are all done by John Berta. That's right, the former CEO of Torchlight Energy, the guy that was in the MetaFam chats on Twitter. That's right. These are his footage from the website when he was on there, guys. Next Bridge Hydrocarbons, here you can see, develops his Oro Grande Basin asset, the Oro Grande project located in West Texas. The Oro Grande project has shown to have potential for multi-stack pay zones totaling 600 to 800 feet thick with geological and reservoir similarities to the Midland Basin. And here is the numbers. 134,000 net acres, 3,150 potential well locations, and 3.2 billion potential reserves recovery. So that's where these numbers are coming from. Now, they do say potential, but these are also in former old Torchlight articles as well. Here you can see the corporate office in downtown Austin. The Oro Grande project is in the Hudspeth County. So there it is, guys. This was up for a day, and we were able to get on there and do videos on it back in December. And with this awesome website here, you can go back and pull this up. Maybe I'll try to put this link down below as the pinned comment so you can get on here and mess around and go through the website and check it out for yourself. And speaking of oil prices and natural gas, when you check those out, WTI crude at $83.92, Brent crude at $90.85, and natural gas at $5.72. All right, John Berta, the guy we just talked about, gave the drone footage for those Torchlight views you saw there on that webpage. Put out here on Monday, they put back 1.1 million after covering from the short attack last week. Now they have reborrowed all of that, less 350. I expect more push from them. If we go here and look on the iBorrow desk, currently there's only 500,000 shares available at the end of today's trading day, costing them 23.5%. And if we go back here, it was down here, there was 900,000 shares, went down to 350, and now back to 500. So on these lower volume days, like under a million, 2 million, 5 million, they're going to use these couple 100,000 shares to try to drive the price down while the momentum isn't in the play, because we're waiting on that S1. That's what we're waiting on. All right, so got this here for you guys. Well, my buddy Right Brain Trader is putting together a video for the shorts. That's right. So if you would like to send a message to the shorts, you can email it here to Right Brain Trading LLC. He has his email right in there. It's also in his pinned comment. Right Brain Trader does MMTLP, MMAT, guys. Go check him out. Let's watch this video here.
Getting ready to go into the gym. It's a great morning. Any of you glorious bastards that would like to be featured in my next video, I'm going to leave my email down in the comment section. Send me a quick 3 to 5 second video with a message to the shorts. All right.
All right. So there you go, guys. If you want to send a message to the shorts, right here you go. Right Brain Trading LLC at Gmail. Go check out his video. Now, keep in mind, I did send him a video last night. So I did a video for the shorts. You get to see that whenever he puts all this together.
Big Chris, right? Big Chris Stock Swami, my brother. I hope.
Oh, the next video started there. Okay. Our buddy Tony from Market Moves. Go check him out, guys. He does fantastic stuff on MMTLP, MMAT, all that, man. Go check him out. Here he did this great community post talking about the shares issued. And if you look here, MMTLP has roughly 165,523,363. And that was according to, on the 10/5/2022, the S1 amendment number 2. Now, the FINRA OTC short interest dates is going to be, the MMTLP short interest, 6,587,182, and that was as of September 30th. Now, the FINRA OTC short interest next updates MMTLP here on the settle will be on the 14th, which already passed. The report is today at 6 p.m. that's already passed, and it'll publish on 10/25. So I'm going to be very interested to see on MMTLP what's going on there. So yeah, very interesting. The FINRA OTC short interest numbers, looks like October 15, 2021 was 14.3 million. And as of 9/30/22 was 6.5 million. So 7.8 million recovered in about a year. We'll see how bad the MMTLP short interest settles for 10/14, which will be very soon here in about the next weeks. And keep in mind, MMTLP trades on the OTC, which has no volatility trading halts. Otherwise, possible halts may apply. So we'll see what happens there. All right, guys, MMAT as well, touching brief on this. The stock was down about 4% today, and it did hold its average volume. Average volume is 6,026,000. We traded 6,035,000. And they came out with some great news today. So here on Twitter, I put out here in Georgia We Trust, because George is just rocking it out of the park. I cannot be more happier as a shareholder with what the company is doing. It's just the stock market right now is not recognizing these kind of things, unfortunately. We are proud to be recognized by LESUA Canada with Deals of Distinction Award for strategic acquisition that expanded Meta's capabilities in developing the next-gen battery materials. So that's on Meta Materials page. It's on my page. If you wanted to read into about Optodot there, guys, that was a huge acquisition for Meta Materials. Guys, things are looking up. It's just a matter of time. And that's all I'm saying, man. It's just a matter of time. And the shorts are in trouble. And that's the one thing we got that they don't got. We got time. We can hold these as long as we want. They can't. They have to either cover that. They have to cover the short. They can't hold that MMTLP short going in the next bridge. They cannot do it. You cannot hold a short going into a private company. So that's beautiful. Let's go take a look at the futures for tomorrow. S&P futures is positive 33 points. The Dow futures is up 187 points. The NASDAQ futures is up 152 points. And the Russell is up 13 points. Looking like we're going to have a green day tomorrow. So we'll see if that trend holds. Another time's ticking. Update. I did pick up a little bit more of MMTLP. I'm doing a transfer and getting more MMTLP probably on this Friday. I got to wait for funds to clear and all that. I'm going to try to buy through Fidelity. I had not tried to buy through Fidelity, I believe, since like April. It's been that long, yeah. But people saying they've called. People said they've gotten through, got the buy. Some people said they haven't. So I'm transferring money over. I'm going to let it set there a day or two. And I'm going to try on Friday to call and buy because I got off work. So super exciting stuff. So I'll let you all know if I get my purchase orders through the fixed income specialist through Fidelity. And I'll give you all update right from the horse's mouth on that one. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And I'll catch you all next video, guys. Peace.